Mga kaibigan, kumusta kayo dyan? Narito po tayo ngayon sa New Seniors Meeting Place dito sa 474 Davis Drive, kung saan po ginaganap ang Filipino-Canadian Association of York Simcoe. Sila po ngayon mag-i-induct ng kanilang bagong officers at saka ito po ay dinner dance, parang fundraising na rin po ito para sa mga sa association nila dito. Ito po si Jess Carlos ng Pinoy Global News, naguulat para sa programang Filipino A. Mga kaibigan, kumusta kayo dyan? Narito po tayo ngayon sa New Market Senior Hall dito po sa New Market, kung saan po ginaganap ngayon ang induction of new officers at saka fundraising niyang Filipino-Canadian of York Simcoe. At naririto po, kapaligid ko po dito ang mga officers ng York Simcoe Filipino Association. At unang-una ko po tatanungin dito, 2 times president po siya ng Filipino Association of York Simcoe. Walang iba po kundi si June Aquino. June, magandang gabi. Kumusta kayo? Balita ko po na kayo ang 2 times president ng Filipino Association of York Simcoe. And how this association ever get started?
Oh, actually, I'm not the first president or the founder of this association. I just take over from Mr. Nestor Pinga. When there's 2 years that this association was on idle, and somebody and the community put me in here, introduced me to be as a president, and that's the time I got it.
Very good, congratulations. At dito po sa kaliwa ko ang current president, si Heidi Cabuyao. Heidi, ito bang association nyo dito? Ano ba ang mission and vision nyo dito?
Okay, thanks, Jess. Our Filipino-Canadian Association is very willing to help our members, of course. There are so many newcomers that we would like to help them. And at the same time, we will help the existing members to have a little bit of activities that they can do all year round. The fundraising that we are doing tonight, we are doing our charity donation to the Canadian Cancer Society because we have so many relatives and friends that has been a victim, and then we are donating proceeds of this one that will be joined here in Newmarket June 20 at the Pickering College, and all the proceeds will be donated.
Wow. In spite of the fact na may sarili-sarili kayong mga profession, what gives you the passion to get involved in this sa community dito sa York Simcoe? Sino ba makakasagot dito na?
I'll just answer it. Okay, thank you, Jess. I know that question very much because I myself, I am hopping from 2 jobs, and this is the 3rd job that I have to do. But this is a passion that you would like to help your community, and it gives you a reward at the end of the day that you have helped other people that has been here in Canada that is very new and needs our help.
Very good. At saka, mga kaibigan, ito po muli si Jess Carlos ng Pinoy Global News, naguulat para sa programang Filipino A.